Upgrade your speaker. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 6.5 or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 5/8, 143 mm. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. Select 2007 up Mitsubishi Lancer and Outlander or 2014 up Mitsubishi Mirage. Check fit guide in the images for full vehicle applications. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision design for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence, backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SAMI 651 speaker adapter pair is designed for upgrading your factory speakers to most 6.5 or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with up to a 5 5/8 top mount diameter into the factory front door speaker locations on select 2007 up Mitsubishi Lancer and Outlander or 2014 up Mitsubishi Mirage. Made from high-grade ABS materials to ensure durability and longevity and engineered for a precise fit for your new speaker install. We are so confident in the quality that we back the speaker adapters up with Scosche's lifetime tech support and our limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Does fit a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer Revolution? Exclamation mark. The product was better than I expected. Fits nice and snug like OEM. And comes with pre-drilled holes for speakers. Very easy to install as well. Will buy and recommend to someone with the Evo X.